All right, guys, we're back at Busco Beach, Fall Bash 2025. We got Luke, obviously. We got Garrett in the house.
Hey, how you doing?
Are you gonna stay out of your fist fights this time?
I really do hope so. I'm not drinking this time, so hopefully I'll be a good boy.
Garrett, I've got one goal this weekend, and it is to literally bury this thing so bad that we need at least 2 machines to pull it out.
Well, supposedly it hasn't rained here in like 9 months, so it's pretty dry, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to find that.
But when it doesn't rain, that means you don't have water. And when you don't have water, you have straight up peanut butter mud. Typically, we kind of have a sense of direction about what we're doing in the videos, but I'll be honest, this video is kind of unplanned. We got people on nitrous built bikes, we got people on stock bikes that don't know what they're doing and find themselves in the wrong locations. We got big 50-inch tire side-by-sides that are just going ham, chewing up stuff. And honestly, any Busco video is typically a good time. So without further ado, let's see what we can get into this weekend.
All right, what you think, Garrett?
Coming in from this way, I don't think you're gonna make it here.
All right, here. All right, we need some more bets,
Can
people.
we put the stick?
Grab you a stick. You gotta get you a stick. I'm saying this cup right here. That's my bet right here. That cup.
Not a chip.
Oh my God!
Not a
This is a bad idea.
All right, who's competing? You Cullen?
going?
No. You're not going? Walker, you going?
I mean, yeah.
No, you're not.
Why not? We just put a brand new diff in it. We gotta test it.
This is what destroyed his diff before.
Well, it can do it again.
Let him push the mud out of the way first.
This sounded like a great idea a little while ago. It's starting to not sound like a great idea.
I think I made it.
Bro, so much mud covered this lens.
I'm glad I got mud on everybody. Farting. Hey, is that the cup I was saying?
Yeah.
Hey, I made it further than the cup.
Bro. All right, Walker, you gonna hit it?
I don't think so now.
All right, we got tiger tail to yankum rope to the other tiger tail on there. Oh yeah, all day. I think I just broke a front drive shaft.
Are you in 4-wheel drive?
Yep.
Oh no.
I'm out of breath, first of all. I think we need to pull the Defender that way. I also broke at least 2 axles.
Oh my God, dude.
Look at it! Like this.
Look at this, look at this. Oh my God.
Bro, like you can't even tell that it's a 34-inch tire. It's just straight slop.
Yeah, buddy. That was honestly a really bad idea. The good thing is we've only been riding for 5 minutes.
Bro, something is messed up in that front end. I hear a lot of creaking and popping.
What? Oh! Hey, I bet you it's my axle.
Bro, what axle? Oh, this one's, I think, torn.
Oh, it's broken. I think that's literally going to be worst stuck at this event. Everybody was like, there's no mud. I go, no, that just means the mud's really bad. If there's no water.
I think we should go find some clean water to knock some of this off. Dude, Luke, you have mud in your hair.
I know. I'm gonna film you.
You're gonna film me? Film you?
The camera right now.
I'm just
Camera go.
My favorite part about Walker is for 11-year-olds, he outrides most people. Ah, those HMFs sound so good.
All right, so we just got back to camp. Outlander's totaled. We got 2 snap front axles, and the good thing is we don't have any to replace them with. Hopefully Performance East has some that we can grab in the morning. In the meantime, there's only one responsible thing that I think we should go do, and that is go get some Rico's tacos.
Whoa. Who are these guys? Yeah, run over his stuff. Run over their hard-earned hit. Yeah.
All right, fortunately, Performance East had 2 brand new axles in stock for the G3. So looks like we got some working to go do. I think that was the fastest I've ever snapped 2 axles. We literally unloaded off the trailer, hit the first hole, and broke them right away. So we're gonna try not to redo that again today because that was expensive. Can't say I've ever changed an axle on a brand new Gen 3, but it shouldn't be anything different than the other Gen 2 Renegades or Outlanders. All right, we're gonna do a quick step-by-step speed run, and when I say speed run, like we're gonna change both these axles in 20-30 minutes. Now we gotta go rip the front of this machine apart, get the tires off, get the old axles out, the A-arm separated, and get these back in and get back to riding. All right, we got Josh coming in to help. I feel like a NASCAR pit crew over here.
Oh my gosh. That's your prize?
That's my prize. We're gonna make a trophy out of that.
Did you get your prize? Oh, how do you even get, oh, there's your prize.
Hey!
There we go.
While Josh is playing with my misery over there, I'm gonna start putting this side back together.
How you do this?
So this axle's installed now. We're still fighting to get the other side out. So once we button all this up, gotta do the same thing on the other side, put the tires back on, and we're back to moving. Oh, look at that.
All right, new axle is going in. Hey, what's our time right now?
10 minutes.
It's not bad, not bad.
Not bad. We are 14 minutes in. I quite literally think we just swapped 2 axles faster than it took us to get out of the mud hole where we snapped 2 axles.
All right, so now that me and Josh got the Renegade all put back together, we got Josh's nitrous bike filled. And if you guys caught last week's video, you see that the Renegade got sold to the new owner, who still needs to pay me.
Wire transfer pending.
We sold the Renegade. We got a new Renegade. Like I said, if you guys haven't caught last week's video, go check out why we sold it, mainly because of that over there. I think we finished doing some proper riding on this thing because 5 minutes worth of riding and 2 broken axles was not enough riding on the Gen 3. We got some good plans. We got a good amount of Renegades with me. Actually, I feel a little left out on the Outlander. I'm just here to show you guys that this Gen 3 is a little better than a Renegade. Hey, buddy. With the stretch and the 34s, it is so much harder to wheelie than the Renegades are. Unfortunately, we're not going to have as many good angles in today's video. It's probably going to be mostly GoPro, maybe a little phone footage, which is a shame because we got a good rowdy crowd of people. But Luke had to go back to Charlotte. He's got a wedding he had to film today. And so yeah, without Luke, you don't get the crispy shots from the outside. When Honda kids come and do things Honda kids shouldn't do. Do you know what happened? Do you know what went wrong?
I know you can't in, Colin.
See, I literally was just saying, I said, look, it's a Honda kid doing something he shouldn't be doing right now. Yeah. You should be in the water. Grab that tiger tail, I'll pull you backwards. Honda boys doing non-Honda things. Go play in the water. Go play in the water. All right, I'm gonna go get myself stuck. It's just to be a jerk. We'll go through it real quick. Come on! I just want to come get stuck with you. Oh, Cody's stuck too. Yeah, buddy. Go! That's some nasty stuff right there. All right, well, there's only one reasonable thing to do is go get stuck again. All right, we're gonna go for a mission right here. First we're gonna soak the crap out of him. I shut it off. I don't think we're gonna be able to get it. Grab my winch and hook it at him. Wow. I literally said, I was like, I'm gonna go splash Cody and I'll go pull him out.
Lost the plastic.
Alright, well, at least we're still moving. Alright, rolling up to the next spot. I will say, Busco's in a drought right now. There's literally no water. Usually this is completely full up to here, rack deep. I mean, that's still rack deep, but that's usually like almost gonna sink. All the way out. You think I can knock this tree down? I was hoping the tree would break. Almost. We'll leave it like that. Alright, let's go find the next spot. You know, I will say the 34s take a lot of my wheel speed away, so skimming's not nearly as fun. Putting some clutches on a Renegade and some 32s. That gets to be a good time right there. Dude, this yellow Renegade right here, she got something. We're out of... I don't know if I like half hit that hole, half missed it. Oh! Are you kidding me? Well, we might have just snapped another axle. Ah, man. So when I put the lift on this thing, I really cranked up the shocks another inch to really get a lot of ground clearance. I think that's hurting my axle angle, so we're gonna lower it down a little bit, maybe 1 inch. I honestly only lifted it up because I thought it was gonna rub, but I don't think they'll rub. I think now that we got 1 broke axle and 3-wheel drive, I say we head for a few more holes. It's getting ready to storm, which honestly I wouldn't be mad about. Last time I was in here, this thing was dug out. Let's see if this axle's... Oh yeah. Man, that's a shame because that's a brand new axle. Luke left, so I let one of the guys drive the Defender just so we'd have all the camera stuff with us and my phone and cooler and stuff. 4 low and go! There you go! Yeah! Stock Defender making it happen! Look at that fish! Look at that fish he caught! Dude, 4 low, this thing's a little tank. Man, they got a bunch of fish over here. We gotta put them back in the pond. It's like fish sticks. Oh, that's a big one! I don't know where to grab a catfish. Ow! Hey, Cody! Hey, can you hold this for me? Yeah, buddy! Alright, release them. Alright, bye! Alright, I think we got time for one more spot. It's funny because every year Fall Bash is different. Like this year it's been a little colder and stormy today on Saturday. I feel like that scared a lot of people from coming. Just wish I didn't break this axle because I could be skimming. If you've never skimmed before, you have to have 4-wheel drive. Because if not, once you hit the water, the front tires stop moving, and that's how you go over the bars. Then we're gonna knock some of this heavy mud off, take this thing back to the house, throw another axle in it, get ready for the next one. We got bottle pressure? We're getting there. Oh, we got spicy spray. It's Mountain Canoodle and spicy spray time. For Cody's Renegade for the bottle, we had to do a little rigging because the button stopped working. So now just whenever he's full throttle, he gets nitrous too. Oh yeah. Man, I already missed this bike. I don't know why I never did this before. Typically I used to have to hit the nitrous, but now it's hooked up to just when I hit full throttle it sprays nitrous. We're doing 20. Something about a nitrous bike just doing 25 miles an hour and just ripping up into wheelies. So I wish I had done that before. That is way more fun to ride. Oh, I'm gonna miss this thing. It's a fun machine. Needs some steering.
All right, so we got back from Busco. I've gone ahead, cleaned up the Outlander, replaced the axle, and I went and cranked down the suspension a little bit. I feel like I had it jacked up a little too much and it was putting too much strain on the axles. It just had it all binded up. But if you guys also caught last week's video of the brand new Renegade, we talked about giving away a set of these halo headlights from Power Sports Engineering, but they're an all-in-one halo design. Like I said, you probably saw it in the video. They have an interchangeable toggle switch for the color, which is pretty sick because you don't have to worry about an app or having your phone. It's not a stick-on, it's integrated into the headlight. So the point of all of this is last week we did a giveaway and all you had to do was follow me on Instagram, follow Power Sports Engineering on Instagram, and then go and comment on the last picture of this. Well, we had 568 entries into that. And we did finally pick a winner, and it's Josh Alfonso from Louisiana. We shot him a message, we got his address, his phone number, his email, and we're
coming to your house and we're stealing your stuff.
Yeah, we are gonna package this stuff up and get it shipped out to him tomorrow morning. Josh is the proud winner of this set of headlights. But let us know if you guys wanna do some other giveaways, maybe some exhaust, some headlight, taillight combos, other easy stuff like that. Power Sports Engineering did give me a discount code for these headlights for all of you guys that might want to get them for your machine. So I'll have Luke put it right here. Speaking of discount codes, while we were at Fall Bash with Vessel Power Sports hanging out with them, they gave me a discount code for all you Honda guys. So we have a discount code for 18% off. It's KC18. Save you guys some money if you guys are looking for some Honda parts. Other than that, we post every single Wednesday. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Tell us what your favorite part about the video with the Gen 3 Outlander was, and we'll see you guys next week.
Hey, what's going on here? You missed it. Oh!